work with the Veterinary Technology Program and the Veterinary Teaching Hospital. I am one of the main advisors for the Veterinary Technology Program. So if you are needing to speak about classes or the program itself, you would speak to me. Most students I advise coming in from high school is for them to do well in their science and their math courses and English courses. It is very important for this program. Students who are going to apply for the program will enter the Vet 090, our Introductory to Veterinary Technology course. Nursing classes for animals, we go small animals, we do large animals, so everything from dogs, cats, horses, goats, sheep. And then we also have exotic courses as well.